One of the requirements of the K-1 fiance visa is that you marry your fiance upon entry to the United States with your K-1 visa within 90 days. But what happens if you don't get married in 90 days? Hi, I'm attorney Megan Pastrana of Immigration for Couples. My firm is dedicated exclusively to assisting couples across the nation and across the world in navigating the U.S. immigration process. So let's dive in. As I mentioned, one of the requirements of the K-1 fiance visa process is that you marry your fiance within 90 days of entering the United States on your K-1 fiance visa. And throughout the process, you have to let immigration know, you have to show them that that is your intention and that you plan on doing that. But what happens if you don't? So if you do not get married within 90 days, and yes, immigration is very strict. It has to be 90 days, not 91 or 92. There's no flexibility. It's very rigid. If you don't get married within 90 days, you are in violation of the terms of your non-immigrant status. You are in violation of the terms of your fiance visa. And more importantly, you are actually in the United States unlawfully without documents. You have fallen out of status. So that is not a position that anybody wants to be in. I know that's very scary. So let's talk about what options you have if you don't get married in 90 days. There is still a way if you married outside of the 90-day window, if you're still in a relationship, if you still plan on having a future here with your spouse, then you can still file a different kind of application. There's a whole nother petition and a different path you have to take that's a little more involved, but there still is a way to save your case. If you are here in the United States, though, and you find out, no, that this relationship isn't going to work, and you actually do not want to get married anymore, if the relationship has deteriorated, legally, you actually have to depart the United States. There isn't a way to change your status. And the last point I want to make, a common question that our office receives is, what if I fall in love with someone else? Can I still complete the fiancé visa process? Can I still receive my green card? And actually, the law says if you marry another person, yes, you could theoretically complete an immigration process, but fiancé visas are very, very strict in that you have to marry that person that you came to marry, that you came with the intention of marrying. And if you are in this situation, please reach out to our office. Check out our website, Immigration for Couples. We have a free resource center and a free webinar where you can learn more about the fiancé visa and immigration process for couples. Thanks for watching.